Today in this video we are going to see how to drive a car. Driving a car can seem intimidating at first, but with practice, it can become second nature. Here are the basic steps for driving a car. Adjust your seat and mirrors. Before you start driving, adjust your seat and mirrors so that you can see clearly and are comfortable. Buckle up. Make sure that you and your passengers are wearing seat belts. Start the car. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to start the car. If the car has a push-button start, press the brake pedal and press the start button. Put the car in gear. If the car is an automatic, put your foot on the brake pedal and shift the gear selector to drive or reverse. If the car is a manual, press the clutch pedal down and shift the gear lever into first gear. Accelerate and brake. Press the accelerator pedal to move forward and the brake pedal to stop the car. Start slowly and gradually increase your speed. Steer the car. Use the steering wheel to control the direction of the car. Keep both hands on the wheel and turn the wheel in the direction you want to go. Use turn signals. Use the turn signals to indicate when you are turning or changing lanes. Observe traffic laws. Follow traffic signals and signs, obey speed limits, and yield to pedestrians and other vehicles when necessary. Remember to stay calm and focused while driving and always be aware of your surroundings. Practice driving in a safe and empty area first before driving on a busy road. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.